bwatinze hano dore iyi application mugenzi wabo ngo agiye kuba yashyira ahagaragara yitwa 4G cyangwa FF. Mana nyagasani ya bite
This is an app launch or an launch?
app launch yabaye nziza kabisa. Clay ari he?
Check out the Insta bitches.
Mana bari abakobwa bo kuri Instagram Insta bitches nabo babaje ari benshi.
Easy.
Mana igatangira hano kubaruta yoga kandi aranarwaye.
What do you think?
Aba besto bimeze bite?
It's yours.
Ni Tess na Clay ndetse nande na Lina.
Mwah.
Mana ni byiza.
Thank you.
Uyu munsi mwalonche zirakoze.
But it's a bloody shit show. Everyone's
Mana yishoye mukanya nabitangiye gushoya birabire birenze.
the app. Sign up as many people as you can.
Ati mu downloading application mu signing up abantu benshi batandukanye mu ibasharinge mu ibamenyeshe.
Hi, cutie.
Bite abeza. Kumbe na Axel navayo. Simwana kwambaye ibikote nk'ibyo abasaza. Reka wakintu.
What is this?
All men
Ibi
are.
ni biki Claire? Umugabo wawe wamwambitse ibiki?
What's that in your?
Bakwaberewe.
Come on, Mom. It's a party.
Zara wambaye uri muramwe ibiki?
What?
Claire,
Axel said that.
Axel utandega.
Circulate.
Axel ni umugabo wa nyina wa Kazala.
Kiss me.
Not the.
Sheri oya nta mpamvu yo gusobanura ntangura make up. Baretse gato umwana ntiyemerewe inzoga.
Love to. Hi.
Hey,
Yebe kamujyane gatoya.
Aya.
Sheri mu minota 10.
go.
Ntacyo jyana na mushuti wawe ntacyo mujye gusangira.
I'm gonna get a top up. You gonna be okay?
Umva wibirakarira muraza kumera neza.
Go.
Genda muri kumwe n'abandi bakobwa nta kibazo. Uyu mukobwa Lina ni umukobwa n'abakobwa usanga bifitiye akazi kabo, utamusanga mu bintu by'amabuwate, usanga ari wenyine amasaha yose abari gutekereza akazi. Sasa Axel nta kindi cyabaye. Azana hakuno maniga we Kayini.
Ready?
Mwana uraza kubikunda bro. Weno hakuno ino.
Holy shit.
Wow, mbega studio keza.
A better you. You
Ati irememo umuntu ureza Forge a better you.
You know the boys at the station are gonna have a field day.
Ati rwose abasore bo ku masitasiyo menshi bafite field day. Bari hakuno baraganamo ndi bamushuti na Axel na Kayini.
You, if you wanted,
Mwana uyu akaba ari wowe niba ushaka waza tugafatanya umushinga.
take a punt.
Mwana shaka icyo ukunda bari cyukora.
And you are sitting on a gold mine.
Hano waba wicaye ku kirombe kuri gold mine.
You take my advice, lead it.
Umva inama zanjye mwana. Hari ahantu sogokuru wa Lina ushatse wahagurisha bifasha te.
Did. Didn't go down too well.
Uriya mukobwa yamenye ko nshaka kugurisha nagiye kubarisha aho sekuru yaratuye ariko ntabwo yabyakiriye neza.
Ah, she'll get over it.
Na haraza kubyibagirwa abana.
What else has been going on?
Nese ubundi bimeze bitasanzwe.
Just work. Wedding stuff.
Mane nimo ndakora akazi kanjye nimo nategura ubukwe na Lina.
You set a date?
Washize itariki se y'umunsi w'ubukwe.
Nah, she won't commit to anything.
Urumva umugore wanjye ntabwo ara confirma Lina umunsi itariki y'ubukwe. Okay.
You're clucky. She's still grieving.
Yego umukobwa mugenzi ntabwo ari yakira aracyarisa ngaho akirimo aribuka be.
Just give her a beat.
Banza umuha agahenge abanze yibagirwa iby'urupfu
You
rw'iwabo.
want to spice things up again?
Kandi niba uriya mukobwa nawe ubona ibintu akibikomeza cyane mwaba mutandukanye ukagaruka muri apartment yanjye akaba ari ubumaze iminsi.
Anyway, to us.
Reka tungemo ku bwacu batangira amashoti kandi Axel nako Kayini ararwaye batangira ubuyoga. Axel aramubwiye cyangwa se Axel atuba iri bowadi wakora iki waza ukaba uri kuri apartment yanjye mu gihe uwo mukobwa atari yakira aramwandikira ati wibuke ko amubwiye iminota 10 ko bugarutse abandi batangiye kunywa batangiye gusinda ni Claire